G'day guys, Matty from Fourbie Sessions Australia. Today I'm just going to run through how I installed my new hat hanger from Fourbie Sessions Australia. So we're selling these for 30 bucks and literally I've just dropped the handle and mounted it up here. So I'll show you how I do it, what I did and how quick and easy it is. All you gotta do is pop these covers up and that'll reveal your bolts, which you mind where a Torx head. So we'll undo them. Because I'm bad with bolts, I always like putting them back. Then what I did was I just drilled out this bottom one. So I literally put a 6mm drill bit straight through it because that was the size of the bolt up here. Now it is spring loaded, work out which way it's got to go, but I literally screwed in a few pegs like that, spun it round to where I wanted it, and then all I did was do it up. Now there is other holes, but my car's still pretty new and I don't really feel like drilling into my roof. So that's how I've done it. Super simple and keeps my Cobra up off the floor, which is awesome. Just literally pull it down, chuck your hat in, there you have it. There you have it guys, the hat hanger from Fourbie Sessions Australia. Super easy to install, no damage to your car. If you want these, contact me on Facebook or Instagram. I will have a website up and going soon, but that's the best way to get onto me right now. And if you want a link to the merchandise that I sell also, it's in the description below. Thanks again guys, chat soon, have a good one.